This is the 8-inch BM Stagg Splash, black metal splash. Right off the bat, I love the way it looks. It's got some hammer marks, some small tiny hammer marks. It's got the patina, and then a little bit of lathe work. It looks great. One of my previous videos, I had played with the Fura Splash. I like the way that one looks, but it wasn't really my style of splash cymbals. I think this one's going to be more of my style, and I'm going to go ahead and set it up so I can demonstrate it for you. Alright, so this is going to be a very unbiased opinion. This is not a sponsorship or an endorsement. I just really like Stagg cymbals. I feel like they're very underrated cymbals, especially for the price. They're definitely the underdog when it comes to cymbals. Well, there it is, a small review video on the Stagg Black Metal Splash. Check out some of my other review videos and my drum-related projects. You may be wondering when I'm going to get new drum heads. They're in. I'm going to be posting a video of those real shortly. It's going to be good. You should go ahead and subscribe. Come with me along on this journey as I grow my channel. Plenty more videos to come. Drum-related projects, reviews, some covers. And remember, eat, beat, sleep, repeat.